Hello everyone. How to get a job in USA from Nigeria. This is a comprehensive guide. For many Nigerians, securing a job in the United States represents a life-changing opportunity, offering better salaries, global exposure, and a chance to build a brighter future. With the US economy actively seeking international talent in 2025 and 2026, Nigerian professionals and workers across various skills levels have promising pathways to employment through visa sponsorship programs. This video serves as a guide and it outlines practical steps, key industries, visa options, and tips to help Nigerians navigate the process of getting a job in the USA. Why Nigerians seek jobs in the USA? As I said in the introduction, the US job market is attractive due to its high-paying roles, diverse industries, and professional growth opportunities. Sectors like healthcare, technology, construction, education, manufacturing, and hospitality face labor shortages, making visa sponsorship available to qualified foreign workers. Nigerian workers are valued for their resilience, adaptability, and skills, ranging from highly specialized professionals to entry-level laborers. Now, here are the top industries offering visa sponsorships for Nigerians. Number one industry is healthcare. Nurses, pharmacists, and medical technologists are in high demand. Qualified Nigerian nurses can secure EB3 green card sponsorship with salaries starting around $70,000 annually. Pharmacists and other specialists earn even more. Technology is another one outside of healthcare. Software engineers, data scientists, and cybersecurity experts with degrees and experience can obtain H-1B visas, earning $100,000 or more. Another sector is construction. From laborers to civil engineers, construction companies sponsor H-2B or EB3 visas with salaries ranging from $37,000 to $100,000. Education is another area that is needed in the USA. Nigerian teachers in STEM, that is science, technology, engineering, mathematics, or ESL fields, can find H-1B or J-1 visa sponsorship, earning $50,000 to $80,000. Universities also hire Nigerian academics. Another area or sector is manufacturing and factory work. Entry-level roles with companies like Old Castle offer H-2B or EB3 visa sponsorship, paying $10 to $20 per hour. Another sector is hospitality. Hotels like Marriott and Hilton sponsor EB3 visas for maintenance and housekeeping staff with wages starting at $12 per hour. Now, here are the key visa options for Nigerians. H-2B visa. This is for temporary non-agricultural jobs such as construction, laborers, and hospitality staff. This is valid for up to 3 years with up to 130,000 visas available annually. Another visa type or option is EB3 visa. This is for skilled and unskilled workers, offering a path to permanent residency, that is green card. This requires employer sponsorship and labor certification. The next visa type is H-1B visa. This is for specialized professionals with a bachelor's degree or higher. It is common in tech, healthcare, and education. Annual cap of 65,000 visas with some exemptions. Now, the next one is the J-1 visa for cultural exchange programs like teaching or au pair roles, typically lasting 9 months, 3 months, or 1 to 2 years. Now, here are the practical steps to secure a job in the USA from Nigeria. Number one thing you need to do is to identify your industry and role. Research which sectors match your skills and qualifications. Number 2 is to find employers offering visa sponsorship. Target companies known for sponsoring Nigerian workers, such as Google, Amazon, Bechtel, ACA, Healthcare, Marriott, and others. Then prepare your application. Update your resume or your CV to US standards. You can ask ChatGPT or Perplexity.ai to help you to do that. Then obtain relevant certifications and gather necessary documents. Number 4 is that you need to apply for jobs online. Use job portals, company websites, and professional networks like LinkedIn to apply. Number 5, prepare for interviews. Be ready for virtual interviews and demonstrate your skills and adaptability. Number 6, understand the visa process. Once you receive a job offer, work closely with your employer and immigration lawyers to secure the appropriate visa. Then stay informed and persistent. The process can be lengthy and competitive, so persistence and continuous improvement are key. Apart from this persistence and continuous improvement, you have to apply to so many places because many other people are also applying, just like you, not just from Nigeria, but also from Asia, even from China, even from India, Pakistan, and many others. They are applying, and you can imagine the population of China and India, that is already about 3 billion, compared with the 300 million in Nigeria that among them are applying. Apart from these, I need to also say that when you go for ChatGPT, request for specifics, job that are available that you can do, state your own qualification to ChatGPT and ask it to give you companies that offer visa sponsorships in that area. So ChatGPT will give you list, and then you can contact those companies directly. Now, here are some additional opportunities. The U.S. Embassy in Nigeria also offers job vacancies with competitive salaries for Nigerians in Lagos and Abuja, including roles like field engineer, public care specialist, and bodyguard shift leader, providing alternative pathways to work with the U.S. government. In conclusion, getting a job in the USA from Nigeria is achievable with the right approach, preparation, and persistence. By focusing on industries with visa sponsorship, understanding visa options, and targeting reputable employers, Nigerians can unlock opportunities for legal employment and career advancement in the US. Start researching, start networking, and start applying today to take the first step toward your American dream. This is Dr. Olubenga Adetunmo YouTube channel, and I believe you have gained value from this video. If you want content like this, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video with your family and friends, and keep coming back to this channel for more videos like this one. Until I come your way in the next one, this video popping up from my channel is the next one you need to watch now. Please go ahead and watch it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.